What's the meaning of bloom? Bloom. Bloom.
Bloom. Bloom. The word bloom can have various meanings depending on the context in which it is used. It can refer to the process of a flower opening up and displaying its petals, which is often associated with springtime and new growth. In a broader sense, bloom can represent the idea of something coming into its full potential or reaching a state of peak performance. For example, an athlete may be said to be in his or her prime bloom when they are consistently performing at their best. Additionally, bloom can also refer to a visible cloud of particles or algae that can often be seen on bodies of water.